Hello students, welcome to DoubtNut. So now first of all let us see the question. So in the question we have been given quantum numbers of electrons and we have to arrange them in the order of increasing energies, right? So we have been given here that we have first of all we have principal quantum number, then we have azimuthal quantum number, magnetic and spin quantum numbers are also given here, right? So let us just see how we can solve this question. So first of all, the electron for the first one will lie in 4d orbital. For the second one, it will be in 3d. Then we have third, which is in 4p, right? And fifth one will be in 3d. And last we have in 4p. Okay. So how I'm deciding this 4p and 3d? So this numbers, right? 3, 4 numbers. Is directly based on the principal quantum number that we have, and this SPDF, the orbitals, is based on this azimuthal quantum number that we have. So azimuthal quantum number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and the letters that we write for them will be starting from S. So for 0 we'll be putting S, for 1 it will be P, then we have D, then we have F, and it goes on, right? So for 2 I have written D here, for 1 I have written P here, right? So this is how we decide. Now the second thing that we have to do is we have to decide the n plus L values for all of them. So for first one we have 4 plus 2, which will be equal to 6. Then we have 3 plus 2, which will be equal to 5. Right, again we have 4 plus 1 equals 5, then we have 3 plus 2, then again it will be equal to 5, then we have 4 plus 1 equals 5, right? So this is how we have to decide the value of n plus L. Now we need to arrange the increasing order of energies. We have to decide the increasing order. So first of all, let us just see and try and understand that which of these energy levels are actually equal. So we have 3D here and we also have 3D here. So B and E we have 3D, and also n plus L values are also same, right? So I can say that here B and E are same, right? Are having same energy levels, right? Similarly, I can say that again I have 4p here at C, and I have at F again I have 4p, right? So these two are again at similar energy levels. Why? Because the n plus L values are again same, so everything is same. So I can say we have C and F, right? So C and F are again at same energy levels, right? Now the next thing that we have to see is that we have energy, this 4d electron, right, which has the energy level of the highest energy level it has, because n plus L value is the highest in this case, right? So A we have. Now increasing order, we have to arrange this. So increasing order will be, first of all, the lowest energy level. So how we can decide the lowest energy level? Right, so between these two only we have to decide, because A is already at the highest one. So now we will see that n plus L level is equal in all of them. So value of n plus L is equal. So only we have this principal quantum number, and based on this, so 4 is, if the principal quantum number is more, then the energy levels are also more, right? So in C and F we can see that they lie in 4p orbitals, so they will have the more energy, right? So if I have to put them into increasing order, then the lowest will be at B and C, then we have C and F, and the highest one we have A. So this is the order or the trend that we need to justify, and we have done that. I hope you all understand. Thank you.
Our question is, if the de Broglie wavelength of electron in the nth Bohr orbit in a hydrogenic atom is equal to 1.5 pi a naught. A naught is a Bohr radius, then the value of n by z is. Here we know that first we know about the theoretical part. Okay, this is the nucleus and it's the orbit, and this is the electron, and we know that electron shows both particle as well as wave nature. So when it revolves around the nucleus in Bohr's orbit in hydrogen atom, it rotate in a wave form. I will show you. This is like this waveform. Okay, this is electron and it is moved like this waveform. Okay, so everything in this universe is showing oscillation, that is they are vibrating. In this diagram, the number of waves with which an electron complete one revolution is called its wave number and is determined by the orbit number in which it is revolving. From this we can also write the formula 2 pi r equal to n lambda. Now it is number of waves equal to circumference upon wavelength. Okay, this is the formula, is number of waves equal to circumference divided by wavelength. So wavelength will go this side, so that's why we write it as like this. Okay, it is number of waves and wavelength lambda equal to circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Okay, and we know that the radius of an atom is given, which is r equal to a naught n square by z. Now this equation becomes n lambda equal to 2 pi a naught n square by z here. Here lambda value is 1.5 pi a naught, which is n into 1.5 pi a naught equal to 2 pi a naught n square by z. So here n by z equal to 1.5 pi a naught by 2 pi a naught, which is equal to 1.5 by 2, which is equal to 0.75 here. So n by z equal to 0.75. So from here the value of n by z is 0.75. Option 1 is not correct. Option 2 is the correct answer of this question. Option 3 and 4 is not correct here.
The question is, the de Broglie wavelength lambda associated with a photoelectron varies with the frequency of incidence radiation as a V naught is a threshold frequency. ठीक है, तो हम लोगों को यहाँ पे डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ मतलब लैम्बडा को बताना है कि वो कैसे फ्रीक्वेंसी और जो थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी इसके साथ चेंज करेगी. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास में यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला होता है एक. ठीक है, एच वी इज इक्वल टू एच यू नॉट प्लस में हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर. ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारा वर्क फंक्शन, ये हो गई हमारी काइनेटिक एनर्जी और ये हो गई हमारी टोटल एनर्जी. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग इसे सॉल्व करते हैं. एच वी ये हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी वी माइनस वी नॉट इज इक्वल टू हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग वी को क्या ले सकते हैं, 2h वी माइनस म्यू नॉट ओके डिवाइडेड बाय एम, इसका क्या हो जाएगा रूट. ठीक है, ये हो गई हमारी वी की वैल्यू. इसको हम ले लेते हैं इक्वेशन 1. हम लेमडा को क्या ले सकते हैं, लेमडा इज इक्वल टू एच बाय पी दैट इज एच बाय एम वी. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग वी की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे फॉर्मूला 1 से. तो वी की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी हमारे पास में, अंडर रूट ऑफ एम डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट ऑफ 2h वी माइनस यू नॉट. ठीक है, तो इसे सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, अंडर रूट ऑफ एच एम वी माइनस वी नॉट. ठीक है, तो ये जगह जो लेमड़ा है ये हमारा इस तरीके से चेंज कर रहा है, अंडर रूट ऑफ एच बाय एम वी माइनस वी नॉट की पावर हाफ. ठीक है, माइनस हाफ. तो ये हमारा इस तरीके से चेंज करा। तो यहाँ से हम लोग देखेंगे कौन सा ऑप्शन मैच करता है। तो जो हमारा आंसर है वो हो जाएगा डी। सो डी इज़ अवर करेक्ट आंसर। थैंक यू।